If you ever noticed how some Shopify stores show some buy 3 save 10% right into the partner page, suddenly you're adding 2 extra items to your cart, this is an actual quantity break, and I'm going to be doing this for this specific tutorial. So the first thing I want to be doing here is to install the quantity breaks application. Really simple. So the first thing I want to do is to open here my Shopify dashboard, and directly inside here we're going to focus into my applications into the left section. Once we are directly inside here, you want to go for the Shopify App Store, and here you want to go for quantity breaks. Now, no result found. I'm going to go for search quantity breaks into the Shopify App Store. You will see several options, most with a free plan from smaller stores. You want to pick one and click into the element that says install. Something that I can truly suggest you is that before you install whatever you want to install, you want to look out for the option that says build for Shopify and has really, let's say for example, great ratings. And basically here we go for free into install. So what you want to do is to go for the option that says install. This one should be popping up this new section into the Shopify administrator. It will be asking you some questions before you can grant the access between the installation and in this case your application from Shopify, your website actually. I'm gonna go for install, go for OK, and just like that, this will be sending us directly into the application, which in this case we chose the Easy Bundle Plus. So here, for example, is going to be asking you how would you like to set up your quantity breaks bundle. For example, here's an actual preset primary colors that you can try on. Let's go ahead and look out for this one. Then you can choose from a classic template, a simple template, buy X, get X free, for example, or even you can get, for example, this second gift. I'm going to try the horizontal, which is much more faster, and I'm going to go for my next step, which is to choosing my fixed bundle. Then you can go for a bundle landing page if you wanted to install that. If you don't, you can just leave it like that. Now when you finish with this element, you can go for the section that says choose an actual plan. So this is the actual part when I actually tell you that you can focus for a free plan, which is $0 per month. Of course, there are some limited sections that you can make sure that you can have only for a free version, so you might want to be sure that you can be checking that element here. So in this case, for example, we have the section that says the easy bundles element. Here's additional charge information and terms, and what you want to do is to look out for the element that says approved. Now if you wanted to do this, let's say for example like in a manual way, you don't want to install absolutely anything, what we can do is to ask the sidekick to help us to add my first element here. So what I wanted to do, of course, is to create, let's say for example, create a quantity break for buy X product and get Y product for or with a special discount. When I send this specific prompt, what's going to happen here is that the sidekick will be asking us a few questions. For example, what kind of discount would you like to offer into the Y product? In my case, for example, I'm going to focus for the 50% off, which is really popular among all of this processes here. So let's say, let me set up the buy X and get Y discount for you. Usually what's going to happen is going to be creating that element. Need for more details to fill the form. What percentage discount do you want the actual element? Here's what I need to pre-fill in the form. So let's say for example I can create Y, and here's going to be telling us, for example, here we have the actual discount code. So for example here, what I'm going to be doing here is to select a discount code, which in this case will be 50 off or 50 new. Minimum quantity, let's say for example only add a first item. So I'm going to focus only for a specific product, and I'm going to go for browse. Let's say that I choose these 5 products. Right now customer gets one of these specific items, so I can scroll all my way down and choose all of these other products. So the discount value in my case will be 50% off. And if you want to add a specific customers, you can do it. So in my case, I think I'm going to be just create that element. I generate the discount, and let's say done. Now the next thing is that the X discount has been saved. If there's anything else you'd like to do with me, let's say for example I want to add the banner the moment people access my home page. Usually we'll be asking you to first have access directly into the online store editor to do this element. Once you have done this process, you can hit into the element that says continue. Now that we are inside the actual editor, it will be adding the actual banner for us. So it says customizing the actual theme. Now, what I loved about the actual sidekick is that usually you don't have to do a lot of steps, and basically what you need to do is what you like, what you don't like, or what would you like to save. For example, in my case, the announcement banner has now been correctly added directly inside here into the upper side. So would you like to customize the banner or to add the link? Let's say use it to, let's say, announce. If you use an actual application for what you want to do is to select the app and beams and enable the elements so you can see them directly into your application. So you might want to be making sure that they actually worked correctly. So as you can see, now we have the actual catalog directly inside here, and now into the upper side I have my announcement bar that I can be adding directly inside here. So there you go. The actual process actually didn't took me so long. And something else that I can totally suggest to you is that if you wanted to see some more great tools or your price values customize how it displays, basically the application can be helping you to do this process in a very easy way, or the actual sidekick that can be helping you to do that element all along. And basically what I just did here is that when I add one specific product into my actual card, usually here it should be appearing the actual second offer. But in my case, I needed to set it up directly inside here, the Shopify application of the managed my actual office. So, well, as you can see, you can have more than one elements here added to buy one and get X discount setup. You can offer trigger 4. This is the tie settings, the maximum appearance. This is the actual preview section. The product 1, here's the actual variant, and the product number 2. So as you can see, the process actually is not that hard. If you have any question, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. What are some more great tools like this? Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you next time.